I want to show you how to use Outlook, which is your student email, to save or to create Word docs, save them, store them, and share them. So I always go to my email through the mjc.edu webpage and then see up here this square of dots. There are a few ways you can do it. You could go to Word directly, but OneDrive seems the most convenient because you can create new documents here. I have a lot of folders and documents. You can, organize them just like you can on your desktop. But specifically to create a new Word doc, you just click New Word Doc. And notice I could have created an Excel spreadsheet or the options PowerPoint and etc. So let's say I want to tonight, you're doing peer review, and let's say I want to share my paragraph with my partner. I'm just going to copy and paste it into this Word doc, and I'm going to call it. I'm going to change the name up here and call it peer review paragraph for essay 3. I can save it like that. And then I go here to share it. And here I just type in, you can start the name of the person, or you can give each other your emails. I choose the person and I just send it. And I can add a message if I want, or I can do it one of these other ways.